Alright guys, check this out. So what we got here is the Mini Cooper, John Cooper Works R56 2010. And what we've done is we've installed CarPlay and Android Auto wireless onto the original navigation system. So you press and hold your home button and you will switch over to the CarPlay system. You can use your original control on it, allowing you to use all your favorite apps, even on this old system. And you can always switch back to the original system as well. Also, sound comes to the original system. Also,
with us. Whatever's happening this weekend, whether it's stressful or not, don't worry, I'm gonna sort you out, yeah?
so CarPlay is all wireless. If you want this on yours, give us a shout.